Okay, it's time for Grammar Challenge 7.2, Lesson 7, Dialogue 2. But before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about 怎么. 怎么 we've had before as in the expression 怎么样? How's it going? What's up? We also see it just as a meaning how. 怎么来的? How did you get here? How did you come? Did you walk? Did you get a ride from somebody? 怎么来的? And then in this lesson, though, we see it more meaning kind of an expression of bewilderment, our surprise that somebody is doing something a certain way or not doing something a certain way. So in this case, so here's an example, is 怎么不知道? How is it that you don't know that? Right? And then another one that I'll just toss in for fun, because I think it's just such a useful expression, 怎么了? A great way to just ask somebody something wrong. What's up? What's different now? 怎么了? 你怎么了? Are you okay? That kind of expression. 怎么 is just such a great word. It's a good word to hit hard. 怎么 with that third tone on the 怎 and then 么 just neutral tone. Great word. Keep practicing that one. Next up is also a great word, 的. 的 comes up. We've had 的 before. It's possessive, right? We've seen 我的书, 你的笔, 他的电脑. We've had this so many times before that it almost doesn't need explanation. Obviously, not just pronouns, can be nouns, the people themselves, followed by 的 to express that possessive meaning. But then we also have this new meaning when it follows an adjective, like 漂亮的, 帅的, 难的, 这个有一些难的, 有一些容易的. So in that expression, it's kind of talking about, it's still creating a noun, but we're talking about the ones that are beautiful, the ones that are handsome, the guys that are handsome, maybe the characters or the things that are difficult. So it's an expression, adjective 的. We're still talking about those ones that possess the quality of that adjective. And that brings us to the Grammar Challenge 7.2. Here's the directions for Grammar Challenge. To create a context, just kind of set a stage for us, and then create a question, expressing your bewilderment using 怎么, and then using 就 or 猜, which we talked about in 7.1. If you go back to that other video that we made before, to learn about 就 and 猜, 猜rather, not 猜, and then express how your bewilderment, why your friend is either coming so early or so late, and then either early or late will make the difference between using 就 and 猜. Great, and so create those questions, create that context first, and then create the question, and we'll see you in class.